I'm Bryan Bulaga, pro football player. I mean, for me personally, I mean, through my career, I've battled some injuries. I mean, I've had multiple, surgeries on my knee. That's kind of been my big thing is, knees, and that's a big importance for offensive linemen and football is their knees. I mean, we're bending every play, we're moving. So I really wanted to see him not only for, his adjustments of, the body because he, does great work on that, but also so he could focus on, prior injuries that I've had on my knee. Well, I think what Dr. Draeger does so well is that he listens to me about what I'm feeling. A lot of times there's a lot of treatments that are very cookie cutter. They do one thing. It's a one-stop shop, same thing for everybody. But the thing with Dr. Draeger is he listens to how you're feeling, how your body's responding to certain things, and then adapts. His biggest deal is the laser therapy, and I'm a believer of that. I've used it a couple times before in the past, not to the extent of the quality that he uses. I mean, I think it's clear for when when you're under one of his lasers. I mean, the heat and just the setup he has. I mean, it's so intricate than what I'm used to doing with just a normal handheld wand that you put over your skin like that. I mean, this is something that that you can tell he's put research into, and you can tell by the machines he has and how he set it up and how he explains it to you, which he does very well. I've never had that type of experience with a laser until I've come to Dr. Draeger. Dr. Draeger, the thing I like about him is because it's just not, all doctor talk when you come in here. He asked about, my family, my little guy, my wife, what how my holiday was. It's just not doctor talk, just not a quick 5-minute treatment session and you're out. It's not like that. It's more personal. There's more to it than just, all right, come in here, I'm going to adjust it, I'm going to put you on laser, and then you're out of your way. There's a lot more talking back and forth and not about the treatment, just being friends, talking back and forth, and just having a conversation, which is refreshing to have. I've been around a lot of doctors, a lot of people who do rehab, PTs, and I've done all that. And to be able to talk to somebody who genuinely cares, that's refreshing. Dr. Draeger has done a great job of helping me manage the pain, just not in my knees or ankles, but in my entire body, and just has helped my well-being, just not on the football field, but from just day-to-day life. Bending down to take a knee to pick up my son, or just to get out of bed, and you're just not going, oh my gosh, my back or my knees, or I mean, he's helped in so many different ways, and just not on the football field. It's about quality of life as well, being out, outside, the football building or on the practice field. It's about being home with your kids and your wife and enjoying that aspect of life too, and not having pain, which is what our job entails, because that's what we do every day. But to be pain free when you go home is, what everybody wants.